Out there. Thanks, Dan. ABC Action News is taking action for your safety.
Yeah, tonight we're focusing on a big problem police are seeing in Davis Island.
Our Jeff Butera shows you how people are forgetting to do just a common sense thing and how burglars are taking advantage of it.
This house just became a whole lot less attractive to burglars. Yes, simply shutting your garage door can prevent what's called a crime of opportunity, where if this door was open, a bad guy could seize the opportunity, waltz up, snatch a bike or a lawnmower, and be gone before you could say, hey, what happened?
14 to Vega 2, Vega 3's tied up.
Tampa police officer Rhonda Jones-Barber says it does happen all the time. Burglars preying on people who forget to close the door.
They get busy and they don't go back and check out something that they should have checked out.
And she took me to a place they're seeing it very frequently.
That one's open.
Davis Islands, where in the span of just a few minutes,
Oh yeah, there's one.
we found four garage doors wide open in the middle of the day.
Hi, how are you today?
Jones-Barber told the people at the house about the crimes officers have been seeing and how vulnerable they were with their door open.
Oh, they left without the garage closing the door?
This woman says her kids forgot to shut it when they left. This woman says it slipped her and her husband's mind, too, despite being victims of burglary in the past.
We should
Run with it.
Had that happened.
Oh, you have, okay.
Yes.
Is it open?
Yes, it is.
And this man blamed his pet for the easy access.
Okay, I appreciate it.
All right,
I
so...
left the cat out and forgot to shut it down.
Oh, okay, yeah, I do see your cat out there.
No matter the reason, the doors should stay shut because burglars are zipping into the open ones and zipping out with your stuff.
They don't have to touch anything else. They just grab what they want and they go.
I wanted to show you just how quick that could be. So I'm going to steal this bike from right here, and we're going to time it. Start the clock. I'm going to walk up. I'm going to grab the bicycle, take it back out through the garage, walk down the driveway, and stop the clock. Grand total, 10 seconds. That's it. And now the bike's gone. Joey Phillips knows what I mean.
Open the garage.
With an open garage.
Joey admits he's had $15,000 worth of lawn equipment stolen while he was looking the other way. No reason to make it any easier by leaving the garage door open, too.
You just open, just forget about everything, and that's when people come in, come out.
Joey's house was the fourth one we found where the door was open in Davis Islands, a place where people ought to heed Jones-Barber's advice.
Try to remember the smallest little things can make the biggest of differences.
Jeff Butera, ABC Action News.